Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to make this cute beautiful earring which is made up of golden wire, nail paint and beads. So let's start. And material needed for this are this golden wire, this ring beads, this medium size void beads, this big size void bead, this stone studded bead cap, and this earring hook, and some nail paints. I am taking here orange, maroon, silver and golden nail paint. You can take any color of nail paint of your choice. So first of all, start with making these petals, and for that bend this wire, twist it. It should not be too wide. If it will be wide, then we can't make this film of nail paint over this leaf or petal. Now bend this wire to make another petal, and similarly make all the petals. Here we are making 8 petal flower. You can increase or decrease number of petals. After making all the petals, apply this orange nail paint. In this way to make a film like. Take ample amount of nail paint in nail paint brush to make this film, otherwise film will break. Now let it dry for 10 minutes. Now apply one more coat of this nail paint and apply 2 more coats for a thicker film. Now let it dry for further 10 minutes. After it get dried up completely, apply this maroon color nail paint here. Now take some silver color nail paint and wipe this brush so that it should be like a dried brush only. And apply in the center part. Now take this golden nail paint and apply it on the top. Now let it dry for 10 minutes. After it get dried up completely, apply this maroon color nail paint here also on the back side. Now take this silver nail paint and apply it in center only. Take this golden nail paint and apply it on the top. Now let it dry for 10 minutes. After it get dried up completely, bring this wire in front of this flower insert this big bead. And take it out from the opposite side of this. Take one more round of this. After fixing this bead, this flower is looking like this. Bring this wire on the opposite side and insert this bead cap. Now take this ring bead and a small bead. And arrange holes of both the beads in a straight line, and then insert this wire from this. And make a loop from this wire by twisting it. Now cut the excess wire and fold it inside. Now after making this loop, our dangling part is ready. So take a earring hook, open its loop and fix it here in this loop. Close it properly. So our earring is ready now. So from top it is looking like this, and from bottom or inner side it is looking like this. Friends, yesterday I have made this cute little brooch with nail paint and wire only. So if you want to see its tutorial, please click on the link above in the I button. So friends, hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like this video, please press the like button, share it with your friends and family, and comment if you have any suggestion or anything. If you think I am lacking somewhere, then tell that also. It will help me in doing better work. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get notification of my upcoming videos. So I'll meet you tomorrow with a new video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.